So this is almost the final pack. I pretty much know what I'm carrying, so I'm going to show you what I intend to carry for where. I have omitted my meds hygienic kit, but I'll show you that there is room for those in the Watershed bag. Okay. So this is a Watershed bag, the Ocoee, and inside of it you can see I have a compression bag, and you can also see there's plenty of room for your hygienics and first aid kit, meds, etc., whatever your personal items you want to have. And this Ocoee bag will easily fit underneath the seat on the airplane. So I'm going to extract the compression bag from the Ocoee Watershed bag, and now I'm going to unpack it, and we'll examine the items that I thought were essential. This trip's going to last 7.5+ months. Therefore, I don't want to carry a lot of gear I don't need. Okay, so I'll unpack the compression bag and show you which items I intend to carry this time. I am carrying a couple of new items, but I also lost some bulkier items from last season. Overall, I think it's a weight savings. I have my 2 belts wrapped around the outside, save space, and also help compress the bag a little bit more. Inside bag, 2 pairs of socks for my Astral water shoes. It also double as my closed-toe shoes. 1 bathing cap for visiting hot tubs and such. 4 pairs of quick dry underwear. 1 quick dry towel. One pair of long john bottoms, lightweight. 2 Hawaiian style shirts. 1 pair of shorts. I'm on the warm stuff. 1 more fleece, top fleece. Pair of guide pants. Pair of convertible long pants that double as shorts. Long sleeve, quick dry shirt. Comfortable by itself or makes a nice light base layer. Another identical one, different color. So, be 1 pair of long pants. Granted, I will be wearing another pair of long pants. 1 pair of shorts. A 2nd pair of shorts / guide pants. 2 button-down shirts. 2 long sleeve base layers, also great for sun protection by themselves. 1 fleece top. 1 pair of long johns, lightweight. 4 pairs of quick dry underwear, 2 socks, and that. And that is all I need. Note that I roll them because that is a more efficient way to make space or save the space. So stay tuned for more tips. If you like these videos and want to follow along adventures in South America and Latin America, make sure and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Share it with your friends. Maybe leave a comment about what you liked, possibly what you didn't like, or what you would like to see this summer filmed down in Latin America, Mexico to South America. Should be quite entertaining. You locals to McCaysville know my car is often parked here at Cat's Deli of McCaysville. A great place to eat breakfast in the morning. Okay, pack the bowl. bulky items first. Bulkiest. That's the basic kit. Goes back to the watershed. Stay dry and light. No check bags. Quicker in the airport, faster through customs as well.